Hello everyone, it's Mervin here, and for today's video, we're unboxing another parcel because my contact lens expired and I need to get another one. And if you're gonna ask, are you wearing an expired contact lens? Well, definitely yes, but that's why I bought this one because this one expired and it's still in my eye, it's still working pretty good. But the reason why I also want to buy another one because I really want a blue eye, and I know that I'm Asian, but blue eye theory is getting popular. It's like a trend, so I'm really curious how I'm gonna look with a blue eye. And also, this contact lens is a lot bigger than old contact lens. This one is 14, I think, millimeter, and this one is 14.5 millimeter. This one is the Mirage blue. I'm gonna put it right here. I bought it on Shopee, and it's a Mirage blue, and it's a huge contact lens. And also, I'm gonna link it down below, their shop and everything. Alright, so I think I also bought a flip case right here because I'm struggling with my cases. The cap is going anywhere, but now it's not gonna go anywhere because we have a flip. Alright, we have a freebie right here. Milkita. I love this. Candy have what is this? Alright, I think this is their business card or whatever. This one I think is instruction. I don't know, but here is the contact lenses. It has a free lens case, so you're not gonna worry about having no cases. But yeah, I recommend you guys to buy a flip case because yeah, the cap of this, I always lost it. Like when I'm doing my makeup, it's going anywhere and I couldn't find it. But yeah, that's all that is in the box. I think there's nothing left. Alright, here is the free lens case. Guys, I'm getting really scared because this is a big contact lens, and you know that it is a struggle to put your contact lens in your eye, and having a contact lens this big is getting me a little worried because what if I cannot put it inside my eye? What am I gonna do? Oh my gosh! Guys, this is what it looked like, and that is definitely blue. Like Mirage blue. It's not focusing, but it's there. It's definitely blue. I must tell you guys that I'm gonna wear this tomorrow because it needs to soak on the solution. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna put it in the lens case and I'm gonna soak that in the solution overnight, and I think it will be ready tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, so let's unbox this lens case. I'm really excited because I don't know how good this is gonna be, but alright, how do this work? Is this an opening? Oh, alright. This is the applicator at the bottom of the lens case, and you just slide it off like that, and then you open this. Alright, how do you open this? That's really cool! Now I don't have to lose my cap every time I open my lens case. But anyway, that's just that. My dog is really noisy. Nero! Shut! My dog is really noisy. Wait a minute, guys. I'm just gonna make my dog shut up.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm back. I just made my dog shut up. Okay. I don't know what's the first thing that I'm gonna do, but I think I'm just gonna pour the solution inside. I'm just gonna fill it out. Just enough to submerge the contact lens because I don't want to waste my solution. Now we're gonna unbox this. Just peel that right off, and it should come out. Alright, it's not that like, wait, I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, this is how big it is. It's big, but I think I can manage to put it inside my eyes. So just gonna put in the solution, but it's not coming off my hand. That looks so pretty soaking. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it looked like. Alright, so I'm just going to do the same thing on this one, and I'm just gonna open it up and I'm gonna soak it in the solution. Guys, it looks so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna get the camera. Alright guys, so this is what it looked like. Oh my god, how can I... Alright, look at that. It's literally blue, and it looks good with the case because the case is also blue and it matches perfectly. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah. So guys, I'm back and it's the next day. So this soak up for like at least like 8 hours. So no, more than 8 hours. And now I'm gonna try it. I'm really nervous because it's a big contact lens, and so I'm just gonna open this and get the applicator because I still use an applicator. So I'm just gonna use the tweezer and I'm gonna get the contact lens out of this solution and I'm gonna just dry it up a bit. Alright, first thing first, I'm gonna do my right eye, and here's the contact lens. I'm really nervous, but here goes nothing. Alright, that's not too bad. I didn't even struggle, but look at the color. Oh my gosh, guys, the difference in my eye. Wait, is it too blue? If it's too blue, then it's not gonna match my skin color because I have a dark skin and this seems like it's too blue. Alright, I'm just gonna put the left side so we can judge if it actually is not for me, but this is really blue. Alright, so I'm just gonna pick up the left contact lens. Starting to be a struggle, but the secret to this is having a focus. Guys, I'm just gonna let this settle in my eye because it's really uncomfortable right now, but I'm gonna come back to you guys when it feels better, but it feels really uncomfortable. Guys, it finally settled on my eye, and I'm gonna say that even if it's big, it's really comfortable. Like, you just need to give it a little time for it to settle down, and it's really comfortable. I'm gonna ask you guys, is it too blue for me? Like, I don't think it fits my skin color. This is what it looked like, and I don't know. Is it too blue or not? Like, guys, I want to show you what it looked like on the outside, and this is what it looked like outdoors. As you can see, it's really bright. But yeah, the longer I stare at it, the more I think that it suits me. So I don't know, you'd be the judge. Is it too blue for my skin or not? Or it's just right? So I don't know, but this is what it looks like in the sun. Definitely blue. It looks so pretty though, but I don't think this is for me. So comment down below if you think that it suits me, but if it don't, just comment it down below and we're gonna try more contact lens color if I have money to buy more contact lens color. So I think this is the end of the video. So bye guys, thank you for watching, and I hope I see you on the next video. Bye.